All right, welcome back everyone to McNeil's Garage. We are back on the 95,
Four.
94, 95, 94, 3/4 ton Chevy pickup truck. We ended yet last time with replacing the crank sensor, hoping it was going to be it, but I told everyone it wasn't going to be it. So last night, me and Trevor came out and messed around a little bit, trying to figure some stuff out. Couldn't. So I had to rely on my old reliable buddy, Jason Brumfield. He's my neighbor, and if it weren't for him, none of my junk would be running. He just comes up and waves his magical hands and it starts up. So, but here's what we did. Trevor just got home from work, so he couldn't come up with the video till right now. So Jason brought up the mass sensor off of one of his trucks, and we put it on there and it fired up, but you still cannot rev it up over 1,500 RPMs. So if you look over there at Tabby's car, she had a 6.0 in that. So Jason said, let's change the computer. So we changed the computer on it, and now it fires up, revs up. Everything's hunky-dory on it. We'll start it up. The idle's great. It don't sit there and rumble like it did the other day. You rev it up. So I know we're going to do a series about will it run, try and get it fixed. Well, the series only lasted 2 series, so bad for you all, but great for us. So yeah, we just thankfully had another computer laying around, and we replaced the computer. I got Jason's mass airflow sensor on there, so I got to replace that and start driving it to work, I reckon. So big, huge shout out to Jason Brumfield as usual. He's the brains behind everything. So that's it. We'll have to pick up another vehicle and bring it in here, see if will it run, try to fix what's wrong with it, and get it going again. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share. If you like it, make a comment about it. And we'll see y'all later. Thank y'all. Sean McNeil, McNeil's Garage, saying see y'all later.